wanted to be able to help as many as possible to start with. Then maybe down the line we would choose to have somebody permanently, but for now I just thought if we can help other people who are foster carers also to have that little break, it's great for everyone.
It's for more of a balance because I have a really busy household. I've got 3 children of my own who 2 live with me, and one's got 2 children as well. It's just being able to manage a really busy household like that. But also, I think kids should be raised in the community. When you have difficulties where they're not, getting what they need from the family environment, you can help to raise a child communally. Everybody has an involvement, and that way they get much more of a rounded upbringing rather than someone struggling horribly. So for me, I can be part of 5 or 6 people's lives and their families.